So, your mighty Dyson V10 is on, roaring like a tiny jet engine. But that brush head? Stone. Dead. Still. Sound familiar? This horror show often starts innocently. Your Dyson V10 brush not spinning. You might wiggle it, tap it, hope it fixes itself. But ignoring this common symptom of a faulty motor is like playing Russian roulette with your high-tech cleaning companion. Ignoring this means you're not getting the deep clean you paid for. You'll be battling reduced cleaning efficiency, leaving dirt and debris behind, and honestly, who needs that extra cleaning frustration in their life? So, you've tried the usual tricks, but that brush cannot spin. Don't worry, you've absolutely come to the right place. At RoboCare, we're not just guessing. Our technicians are specialists with in-depth experience, specifically with Dyson V10 models and their intricate cleaner head mechanisms. We've seen countless cases of the faulty motor issue and have honed our Dyson repair process to perfection. We use specialized diagnostic tools to precisely confirm the motor failure, ensuring we target the exact problem. Our approach is meticulous. We carefully disassemble the cleaner head, accurately diagnose the faulty motor, and then replace it with a genuine component. No shortcuts, just expert Dyson repair. But seeing is believing, right? Let's check out the results. And voila! After a RoboCare repair, that brush is back in action. Look at it go! The faulty motor is replaced, and your Dyson V10 is deep cleaning like new. That's the RoboCare difference. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
Honestly, I am so incredibly pleased with RoboCare. They took a problem that was causing me genuine daily frustration, and they just fixed it. No fuss, no drama. The whole experience, from the first call to getting my Dyson V10 back, was smooth and professional. They diagnosed the faulty motor quickly, replaced it, and now my vacuum is working like new.
Got a vacuum or a Dyson needing expert care? Visit our website or call us today. We're ready to help.